All right, what do you think? Does it look like it did when you looked at it on the computer or the little sample?
Well, yeah, it looks great. It looks so much different than just a little sample and see a whole cabinet panel. It looks great.
I like it a lot too because it's not completely white, soft white, and kind of feels like the house. Feels like an older house like that.
Yep. And I'm really surprised at how many boxes are here, and I don't know how all these cabinets are going to fit in this tiny little space.
Yeah, there's a lot of little components here, but within just a few hours, this room is going to look a lot like that. The cabinets will fill the galley-shaped kitchen and wrap around the corner into the sunroom to create an entertainment center. The style Chelsea selected with help from the Marillac designers is called Somerton Hill Maple, and that finish she likes so much is called chiffon with desert glaze. Now, installing an entire kitchen full of cabinets like this is not a project for a novice do-it-yourselfer. It's a lot like putting together a big three-dimensional puzzle with power tools, where each piece depends on the orientation of those around it and the walls behind it. So once the big elements are set, like the refrigerator enclosure and the corner cabinet, the guys can fill in the blank spots in between. They can do this because they work from a level line that's established for each wall. Then, as each unit goes up, the level is checked again in every direction possible. They also regularly refer back to the detailed layout our friends at Marillac have provided us.